What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Jones Flight Academy. If you're looking for a DJI Mavic Mini 2, here's your chance. We have a giveaway, and it's going to be between now and the end of August. Here's how to enter and put in a chance to win that aircraft. You just got to do two very simple things. A, subscribe to our YouTube channel. B, write a comment down below about why you want a Mini 2. Now, the reason why you want a Mini 2 is not going to be relevant to who we're going to select, because we are going to use a random comment generator app to be able to determine the winner. So just make down whatever you want to use it, whether you want it for video, photography, SWAT type of applications. We have a really good SWAT video that we just put up on there that we actually are using the Mini 2 for SWAT applications, working really well. And whatever you want to be able to use it for, it's entirely up to you. So put down a comment below, make sure that you're subscribed, and you'll have a chance to be able to win this, and we'll announce the winner at the end of August. So good luck. We'll talk to you soon.